This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So many words, but one phone is inside, along with one S Pen. I'm going to kick this video off by taking a look inside the box. As you can see, you've got a USB cable in the box, USB-C to USB-C as well, so it isn't a full-size USB there. In addition, the AKG headphones too, and you've also got a 25-watt fast charger. No super speedy chargers here, nothing like the 65-watt Oppo Find X2 Pro or indeed the 40-watt wireless charging you're going to get on the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. But what you do get is a gorgeous device with wireless charging, with reverse wireless charging, with a really beautiful bronze finish, gorgeous 120 Hz screen. Finally, we get a fast refresh rate screen on a Note device, and I think it's about time we take a look inside. So the Note 20 set up, biometric security in place, and the first thing to jump out is that screen. It's gorgeous, sharp, vibrant, bright, punchy. Amoled, just can't go wrong with a Samsung panel, really. I mean, even on the A51, the mid-range phones, it impresses. But this is on a whole new level because we finally have higher refresh rate displays on a Note, as you can see. Navigating around the device, on the left-hand side, you've got the volume rock and power button. That is a big old camera bump. It's really sharp as well. It's pronounced. It's almost like Samsung's been like, hey, we're gonna have a camera bump. We might as well make it a really bold statement. And it is. I've never seen quite such a confident camera bump. That sounds weird. But what's also really nice is how the matte finish juxtaposes like beautifully against the reflective trimming, and on the front that peeks through, so you get that shine and then you get that matte, which does look like, on first impression, it repels fingerprints better than the Note 10 did, because that was a fingerprint magnet. Right, navigating through, Samsung Daily on the left. Yeah, unless that's better than it has been in the past, probably be getting rid of that. Down at the base, so you've got that S Pen USB port as well, USB-C, and bam, S Pen. Not going to go into too much detail on that in this video at this stage, but as soon as you pull the S Pen out, you get some information about air actions and some other good stuff. So I'm going to put that away. Take a look on the left side. No buttons or ports to speak of on the left. Up at the top, you've got the SIM card slot and a microphone, and that is about it. On the back, just that gorgeous finish. Obviously, my version is European, so it is powered by an Exynos. That is not the dream chipset. The Exynos 990 is like fine, but we've had some heating issues before. Currently, it's one of the hottest days of the year, so not looking forward to testing that out this weekend unless it's improved. I will be updating you, hopefully. It takes micro SD XC cards as well, and up to 512 gigabytes of storage inside the phone itself. As for the camera specs, you've got a 108 megapixel main camera, very comparable to the S20 Ultra 5G, 12 megapixel secondary camera, which is ultra wide, and you've also got a 12 megapixel 5x optical zoom camera too. Pulling that closer into frame, refocusing, and you can really see the optical zoom camera right there, periscope system, and those other two cameras, as well as that, I think what is probably a time of flight. So I'm really looking forward to testing out the Note, and specifically looking forward to giving it a good old sketch. You'll know I do speed sketches if you've been following the channel for a while. So to see what I think of the Note, stuff.tv is your destination, and keep it locked to this channel for those times that I do have time to make videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.